Hi, this is Ben Novak with Olympian Labs. I'm here with Jeremy. I want to take you through one of our favorite core exercises called the bird dog. It works on your core stability, lower back, and also your abdominals. So, to set up, we're going to have Jeremy put his hands directly underneath his shoulders, his knees right underneath his hips. Once you're in this position, nice flat back, we're going to go ahead and extend opposite arm, opposite leg. So he's going to take his right arm, extend it all the way out, his left leg, extend it all the way out, and he's going to try to make a straight line, head to heel. From this position, he's going to hold for 1 second. After that, he's going to come back down, reset, and go from the other side. Extend all the way out, hold 1,000, and then come right back down. That's a bird dog. Give it a try.